Hello all, I have an announcement to make. I have set up a new YouTube channel. And you might be thinking, what's the YouTube channel for? Well, it's for American Sign Language content. So I'll be teaching layer upon layer through short video tutorials. Now, up until this point, I've always taught world signs here on Sign Polyglot and ASL both. And I think YouTube's algorithm is super confused. Like, which one do you want? Which one are you doing? So I decided to go ahead and separate the two, where this channel, Sign Polyglot, I'll continue to show world signs. My new YouTube channel, I'll do exclusively ASL content. And I'll be teaching layer upon layer to help someone become conversational. So if that's you, and you up until this point have always watched me for my ASL content, I recommend heading over to this new channel. And that's where from here on out, I'll be teaching ASL exclusively. Here on Sign Polyglot, I'll be doing signs from around the world. Thank you so much. Love ya.